How to activate your Telus eSIM. You want to open up your phone settings, and from the settings we will select cellular. Click on it, and then here you should see your provider. If you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to see the option for add eSIM. Once we select add eSIM, it's going to show us two options. Either we can transfer from nearby iPhone or use a QR code. We will use a QR code here. And if your carrier has given you a QR code, you can just scan it using your camera, or you can enter the details manually. It's going to ask for the SMDP plus address, the activation code, as well as a confirmation code if your carrier has given you one. So type out this information, click on next in the top right corner, then just follow the prompts, and this should activate your eSIM. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.